Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Mitch, and I make videos about pretty much credit. So that's what my YouTube channel is all about. So whether it's fixing your credit, building your credit, credit hacks, manufacturer spending, that's what my YouTube channel is all about. So in this video, I wanted to make a quick video and explain to you guys what is credit card churning. I'm going to simplify it as best as I possibly can, but pretty much credit card churning is when, at least for me, because that's what I do, I profit off their sign-up bonuses. So let me explain what that means. So I identify a credit card or a group of credit cards with the rewards that I want, and I know that the sign-up bonuses are worth it. So for example, if I'm going to apply for a credit card, I'm going to make sure that that credit card, if I meet the minimum spend, I'm going to profit off that minimum spend and not use that card again. So yeah, that's pretty much what it is. Some people actually open and close dozens of credit cards on an ongoing basis to earn the sign-up bonuses. I personally don't do that. I'm very knowledgeable on how the FICO algorithm works, so I know it depends if the card has a lot of credit age. I won't do that. So just a little kind of tip there. The benefits of credit card churning is you meet the minimum spend to get free money back, and then if you're smart enough and you're a responsible credit card user, you won't overspend on the credit card and then having to make payments on the credit card. Again, guys, credit card churning is pretty much you sign up, you apply for the credit card that you know it has some sort of value that you're going to be able to redeem in money. So again, you're just going to meet the minimum spend on that certain credit card, cash out the money, and not use it again. So that's pretty much what credit card churning is. I hope I didn't confuse you guys, because I know a lot of people get confused of the word churning. I don't even know why it's called churning, but whatever. If you like any of my videos, please feel free to subscribe or DM me on Instagram, and I'll be able to answer any questions that you may have within the topic of credit. I'm pretty knowledgeable with other topics, but credit is my go-to, my safe zone, I guess. I pretty much know it. I'll probably most likely know the question to your answer. So till next time, guys, take care.